We had to do a long yo because I was muted. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Covenant Dip coming at you guys with another one. Hopefully, everybody's good out there, man. Chilling, man. I'm feeling pretty good myself, man. The market has been a bit wishy washy. Shouts out to anybody who tuned into this one. I'm not normally on Sundays or the weekend, really. Period. So anybody who showed up, man, greatly appreciate you guys, man. All love. What up, Gurn time? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? We got Kings in the building. What's going on, Kings, man? How you feeling today, man? You got 10 people in the building so far on a Sunday evening. You guys type that like button. Share. If you're on Twitter, you guys already know the routine, man. Show just a little bit of love. It'd be greatly appreciated. So where do I want to, because this is going to be a shorter one, we'll dive straight into the meat and potatoes of kind of why I came on. Let's flip to it. All right, so let me refresh, make sure this is accurate information. All right, cool. So what let me hide this shit. All right, so what we are looking at right this second is Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of getting beat up over the last couple of days. I don't know if you guys remember last time when I actually streamed, I told you guys that I thought that there was going to be a pullback. I couldn't tell you guys how major it was going to be, but my goal and target that I had set in mind was about 90K or so, 89, 90K. And it's pretty crazy, man. It's pretty crazy to see what's going on there. Hold on. 2 seconds. All right, bam. That one. All right, cool. All right, because that was really annoying. All right. So back to what I was saying. All right, so we got my goal and my target was about 89 to like 90K or so, that we would probably hit a bottom and bounce. At about 96K or so, we bounced, and then we went up for, I think it was like 24-hour period, and then we had a brief retracement. As you can see, Bitcoin is sitting at 95K right now. Still looks like it could come down a little bit more. It just depends on how volume catches. We are on, like, it's a Sunday, so you know what I mean, it's the weekend, so you normally don't see too much volume on the weekends. But just kind of overall looking at the kind of path that Bitcoin and Ether kind of going down, if you look at the 7-day, and that kind of really puts a picture to it. So we got 9.2% on a 7-day period for Bitcoin, but ETH has really been getting hammered. It's 17.3% on a 7-day period, which is pretty damn high in my personal opinion. Today, not so bad. In the 24-hour period, is only down 1.5%, but just overall for a 7-day period, ETH being down almost 20% is crazy. Bitcoin being down 10%, not as bad, but still crazy, and a lot of price action, kind of confirming that we're in a bit of a downtrend right now. Long-term indicators, which I'll show those, I feel like that's still looking bullish. So pullback is never horrible. I feel like definitely a chance to accumulate, especially if you can map out kind of where the bottom is. I figured that ETH would probably hit around like 3K, anywhere from like 2,700 to like 3K or so. It did hit 3K range and kind of show some positive price action around that range. So what's going on, Unfiltered and Uncut? What's the word? That's good. That way I can buy more at Solana and continue to oh my God. Not buy Solana and do rug pulls. Do rug pulls is crazy. So let me see. So yeah, we got holy shit, I still have notifications popping on. This is annoying. Hold on 2 seconds. Cause I actually hate when I'm like reading the chart and things keep popping up 3,000 times in a row. And most of those are decent tokens. Play safe, guys. What's the word, man? How you feeling? How you feeling? What's the word? Let me see. Bam. Smack this back up. All right. So ETH at 95K, like I said, 2.1% on a 24-hour period. Not horrible. I mean, it could be a lot worse. ETH has really been taking the brunt of what's going on. XRP down 1.4% on the 24-hour. We're at $2.20. BNB down 2%. So it looks like the average is about 2%. That everything's kind of down at this point as you kind of scroll through. Same thing with Dogecoin. Cardano pretty much about 2%. Avalanche. Chainlink's holding up. There's a few that are kind of like holding up a bit. XLM's not doing too horrible. It's actually up on the 24-hour. Dismiss. I didn't think you still did crypto. I haven't seen you like 4 years. Yeah, it's been a while, man. It's been a while, man. But no, I took a short break to do some different stuff. I really been trying to sharpen up on learning and just kind of charting, doing some TA, kind of studying the market and kind of the different movements that it has. So I love coming in and you can see that one hell of a dump on the week. Even though we got that dump, we're still looking bullish. I feel like until we pass this 2900 range. Till we pass this, around this range right here, I think we're still pretty bullish. Even if we come down, bounce right here, and then start to go up, as long as we don't break and fail a retest on this, I think we should be still good to move forward. Let's see, let's go 1 month. Later time frame, still bullish. Like I said, this was an expected pullback for me. I figured that the market was going to pull back. Some people were more so bullish on it than others. Not me. Felt like a pullback was coming. Let's go Bitcoin. We're still staying above our range that we wanted to stay above, so it's not doing bad. If it can stay above 90K, I'll be happy, to be honest. Yeah, appreciate that, man. That haven't been okay since Saitama. Oh man, dog. And like the fact that that is an actual like movement is crazy. Like pump fund is literally where you can go create a token. I'm pretty sure it's pretty damn cheap, and then people are definitely dodging rug pull. Some of them run though. Some of them run to multi-millions. So that's the I think that's the part that's like throwing people off a little bit. Like most of those tokens, like some of them look like they have potential, and then other ones are like, man, dude, I like the picture, I like the meta, they're in the Telegram, and it looks like they're trying to really try to move it. You know what I mean? So it's crazy sometimes. Hold on, let me grab this. Give me 2 seconds. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, man, just overall, just looking at the market, which I'm unfiltered. I'm not gonna lie to you. I will be I got a thumbnail ready for it and everything, man. I don't know if you heard of the Ape Store or not, but I do mess with Pump Fund, but Ape Store is another one to where you can definitely see some of the price action there. There's no real movement on Solana. I don't think they added Solana. They plan on adding Solana, but they got ETH and base up and running currently right now. So it's actually been pretty good source of money. You just gotta pick and choose the ones you get into. I've learned on that. But let's check out the day chart. Okay, so you can look at the difference between the week and the day. So between the week and the day, the transition is we actually break. So on the short term, we are getting sell signals. If we are going to hold this range, which is pretty much our best level of support, close around here, which is around 89, 90K or so. Or there's a couple soft levels of support also that you can probably hit around 94K, which is where we're at right now. So I'll drop a line right there. Make it thinner. That way y'all know we on thin ice. It ain't the best support right there, but it did trade sideways a little bit. So has put multiple touches in on this one. So this is a strong level of support that we could hold around this 94, 93 range. If we don't hold that, then we're coming down to like 90, 89K or so, which I feel like that one should hold, consolidate and bounce is what I'm kind of hoping. Love playing on Ape Store. Yeah, man. Ape Store is it's a different animal. It's a different animal. Nope, haven't heard of that one yet, man. Yeah, what is it? I think I'm gonna make that stream for Tuesday. Don't quote me. I may put it out today, but I'm gonna be going through the store. I'll show you guys kind of like some of the mechanics behind it. We'll watch some rug pulls live. I think I might do that on Punt Fun too. Just just watch the inner workings of some rug pulls live. What I won't be doing for people only on streams, some streams I might give out some free game, but the free sauce will be that's gonna be coming with like the Discord and different stuff like that. So I won't be doing that on YouTube too often. So that'll be mostly like Discord or different forms of communication I'll be doing that for. But other than that, I'll definitely show some different things. It's not going to be everything though. But overall, I think that the market's looking good. A pullback was needed. It went over 100K, hit a new all-time high. So yeah, man, I think that this is a healthy pullback followed by a good bounce consolidation, and then probably a run up. Oh my god, I got to pay for my premium again. These ads, they give you extra ads. I feel like with this. So what else do we have running or anything else? And like I said, guys, this is going to be a short one. Didn't plan on making it super long. Did want to check up on our predictions of the market pulling back to like that 89K, 90K range, or if we're going to hold this 94, 93K range or not. Looks like it could pull back a little bit more. I'm actually pretty curious how this works out. I'll probably chart it a bit more once I get off. Well, you know what? I'll probably chart on screen. So I might probably wait till next time I come on. I'll chart a little bit, and then I'll probably dive into DJ Land, maybe jump into Pump Fund and some Ape Store projects. The different rugs you'll see on like Pump Fund and Ape Store are crazy, but the run up is crazy too, because you can there's a lot of different places that you can put about $5-10 or anywhere from like 20-30 bucks and make a significant amount of money, like thousands of bucks, just from being patient or being lucky and choosing the right project. So it just really depends. Really depends on how that works out. But let me see, what did I want to check on? Let me go ahead and pull up smart bits. I wanted to check that out really quick before I got out, and just a couple things on the DeFi side. So give me 2 seconds, pull that up. All right, so keep in mind when looking at charts during a pullback in the market, you're definitely going to see a pullback in all the charts. Most of the charts scrolling past are down, except for this random USA coin that came out and went up 3,000%. There's a lot of down tokens right now, not a whole lot of value in the market when it's pulling back. We got that short pump that kind of gave everybody hope, and then it kind of pulled back, which kind of I guess kind of threw everybody off a little bit. You can kind of form your own opinion about it, but you do see pullbacks and good opportunities to get in solid projects that have just potential in the future. And I know Two Bit is having it. He's having a Marbit's race today, and I don't know if they are doing it currently. Let me check. I might have missed it already. He had a pretty busy day today. Let's see if I can see if they went ahead and did that already. But they had a Marbit's race about 2 hours ago. Looks like about 2 hours ago. So they had an opportunity. I think it was winning like $100 or so. So definitely was some cool, fun things to do. So if you guys have not checked that out, man, and also a good opportunity to get in, man, multiple different entries you can get as that raffle price goes and kind of changes when the price rises. But yeah, definitely check out Marbits, the community, get into that Telegram. They have an active Telegram. They have a nice website there, man, a lot of information. And overall, just what they're trying to do and the team behind it, man. You got Tubit and you got Vern in the cut there, man, helping out, man. Definitely some people that are trying to make some stuff happen, man. So check out Marbits and what they got going on, guys. Don't want to kind of lack on this one. Seeing it underneath $1 million market cap, and then when you see it above $1 million market cap or multi-million-dollar market cap, it kind of you know what I mean? Like seems like a missed opportunity there. So don't have the missed opportunities, man. Just jump on it, man, because I can show you a few missed opportunities that I've had just in the recent, to be 100% honest. So there's a couple things going up, man. Like this one blew my mind just by the damn name. Went up to a couple million. It's dumping now though, but I think it got to like I think that's like a $7 million market cap. This name threw me off a bit. But let me see. Where's a good one? This one actually did pretty well too. This on the DeFi side of things, if you guys don't catch things like this actually came out of the Ape Store. Blow it up. Put it on a chart that's easy to digest. All right, so this came out the Ape Store. This went to about a $2 million market cap, retraced now to about a $700,000 market cap. But that's a good damn run up, especially if you got an opportunity to get into it at like a $3,000-$4,000 market cap. So looks like it could possibly hold this support range that it had before previously in its point of control, but we'll see on that one. Not financial advice, it's one that I was just checking out briefly. Like I said, shorter stream tonight, guys. Tuesday will probably be my next stream. It'll be a longer one. I did not plan on coming on a Sunday. Got the date wrong, and I'm just like I'm tired of changing time frames. I'm gonna let me go on and see who's on there. But I do appreciate the 53 people we got in the building, man. If you guys could tap that like button, share, retweet, whatever platform you guys are on. But yeah, there was a few that did well, but everything. Not everything. A lot of things have crashed down. Like this one did really well. Came out, went to like 300,000, and then now crashed down to 26K market cap. I'm gonna say I think this one got CTO. Sometimes the CTOs work, sometimes they don't. It just is what it is. What was another one? No, I think this one got CTO too. This one had real good potential, came out well. They tried to fight it, CTO. They actually, you know what? They still got a little bit of value to have 18K on a horrible day in the market where ETH's down 2%, and we're just every day you wake up, ETH is lower and lower. It's pretty bullish. I'd say that's pretty bullish. But yeah, man, overall, overall the market's not horrible. You can still find some gems. You can still find some hidden stuff. I don't know about if anybody has any charts they want me to look up, or any projects that they want to throw inside of the chat. I'll take a few seconds to do that if there's anybody in the chat that wants something like that done. If not, I'm probably gonna hop off of here and keep this underneath the 30-minute period, guys. Man, just a quick one, kind of looking at ETH, Bitcoin, a couple different DeFi plays. Got to look at the Marbit, see how they're doing, man. We're gonna track that one for a little bit and see how high this one goes up. We're gonna track it to see how high it goes up. What was it? ST on base. Damn, I gotta. That's on the Ape Store. Has there been any recent buys on it? Because that would be the only thing that might help me back from that. If there's no recent buys, let me see. Because you gotta search for that. Let's see if I can find it within like a couple pages. Oh, so far launched. Yeah, it's a bit way a bit in there deep there, man. I don't know if you know how many rugs launch a day, but right now the new one is KeyCat. They're probably or Cret. Shit, they're launching a lot of them. People right now there's a meta of people trying to look for specific contract addresses to match the previous beginning of the bullish one that they're trying to follow behind, like based Brett or based what is it, based Andy, based Vital. It's so many different coins are kind of following that trend right now, but they're launching back to back right now. So I guess Cret or KeyCat might be the next one. I don't know. Might be meta. Don't know. I'm gonna have to check it out. But I will be getting my Degen on once I get off of here. Gotti on Solana. Okay, I can I know how to find Gotti. Let's see. Spam. All right, so this has been out for a little bit, so let's go 3-day. See if it does the chart justice at all. All right, so bang, let's expand it out. Volume is a bit low, which is why the indicator is looking like this right this second. But once volume picks up, we've kind of seen what it can do. Volume was low when this run, well, this consolidation was happening, and then it ran up to like 4K or something like that. Yeah, about 4,000. So there's another consolidation, boom, after that again. So you never know. But this is around the same price actually, almost, that it was previously, that it actually ran at. So it'll be interesting to kind of see what happens going forward. I've been seeing some posts from M Kid kind of saying that he's got some interesting things coming. So we'll see how it goes. How's Brian doing? Okay, let's check out Brian. Not that I have it favorited or anything, just trying to checking it out every once in a while. All right, 3-day chart. Like if you look at the 3-day chart on this one, this has been out for I think about 2 or 3 months or so. So 3-day chart on this one, just look at a longer term perspective. Need to hold this range and this green uptrend line that randomly was there. I didn't put that there. I haven't been charting this. So I got to hold this green line right here that you're seeing going up diagonally to kind of remain bullish. It could come down, use this as a support again, but then it'll be around like 2.2 million or so. So not the most ideal situation for this one. I would rather remain bullish. Price action wake up around here, but let's just look at it on a daytime frame to get a different perspective. Definitely was on a downtrend. You can see it looks like it wants to bottom out around this range. So if it does, and we're lucky enough to get this price action to wake up and go up and above, even if it gets rejected right here at around like 3.3 or so, still pretty bullish in my opinion, as long as it stays above this line and keeps this this trend. either way, it's squeezing up. So realistically, I would like it not to come down to 2.2. If it does come down a little bit more, possibly just to wake up, but it has to have some nice volume, which we kind of don't have in the market right this second. So it'll be interesting to see how this develops. As you can see, long term still looks bullish on the chart, but as you start to go to shorter time frames, you can definitely see the pullback is trying to subside. We're getting rejected right now on a 12-hour. Like I said, we came down, broke this line, came up to retest, got rejected, and basically from that rejection, we've been coming down. If we can get a bit of volume that sends this up, kind of wicks this up, price action goes above this, and then we start to use this as support. Even if it trades sideways for a little bit, that's still bullish, I feel like. But it may take a little bit of time to develop with that one. So we'll see. We shall see. Anything else, man? If not, I'm going to shake out of here. It seems like the kids are starting to get a little bit more active, which is never good for my streaming. Yeah. I can't find my other vape. Yeah, let me know if you guys got anything else, man. If not, it's been a fun one. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. 55 people in here, man. Hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hit whatever button is not lit up on your screen right now, except for the dislike button. Do not hit the dislike button unless you just disliked it. Then fuck it. It is what it is, right? Most definitely, you guys have a good one. You guys have a good one. All right, so I'm gonna shake out of here, man. I appreciate you guys for coming out, man. Always fun. I'll be doing a longer stream, may have some guests, never know. Tuesday, I believe I'm doing it. So if not Tuesday, I'll put out the stream notification for you guys. So you guys have a good one. I'm out of here.